Ooh, what's this? Whoa, so cool! I know what to do. I'm gonna cut it open. Oh, yeah. That felt good. Hang on. There's something in there. Wow! This is the fun part. I'm gonna bash it. Take that! Wow, what a rush! I'm having the best time. I did it! It's a doll! I don't believe it! This is my lucky day! Are you okay? It's getting wet! Huh? Oh, right. Sorry about that. I love chips. What the? There's only one thing for it. Time to turn up the heat. Stand back! What are you doing? That's much better. Wait a second. There's a doll in my chips. You've got crumbs in your hair. Hey, they look the same. We need to fix this. Makeover. Hey, bestie! Ready for class? I can't wait! Ah! What is going on? Why would this happen? Look at my clothes! Look at the nerds. This is humiliating. Luna?
Whoa, my eyes!
Hey, this looks good. I feel fabulous.
Are you kidding me?
Huh? What's that? Are you seeing this? This is amazing! Wow, a new doll! This gets better and better! I know. They look like twins. They need a makeover! You read my mind. Let's do this! Wow, look at this place. I have a good feeling about this. Is this a joke? Paper towels? What am I supposed to do with this? I mean, come on! My turn. Hold on. That's it. One pot of blue ink. It's so not my color. You're giving it to me! Wow, thanks! Wait! I have an idea! I'll unroll the paper towels. I'll start with 2 sheets. I'll fold it over. I want to pinch the edge. Then I'll press it down. It looks like a skirt. Let's try it on! Now we need a top. I'll wrap a strip around you. Looking good. Next, I'll add a belt. Accessories are important. It's a little plain. I need to add color. I mix the ink with water. I'll drip it onto the dress. I'll let it absorb the ink. I'll do this all over the dress. I'll make random patterns. I'll let the ink do the rest. I always wanted to be a fashion designer. Next, I need glitter. This'll add some sparkle. I'll drizzle it over the dress. How about some gems? It'll make it even more glamorous. Wow, look at this. That is a stylish dress. Wow, you look great! Check it out! It's okay. There's something else in here. I can use this. I'll need to light it. Hey, take a look at this. What's that for? That's more like it. Did you see that? That was pretty rude. Wait, I've got it. I'll put my doll on the table. I'll need the candle. I'll light it again. I'll let the wax drip onto the doll. I'll start to build it. I need to work fast. Next, I'll get gold glitter. I'll brush it onto the wax. This'll add some glitz. Then I'll tie a belt around my doll. But I'm not done. I'll add mesh fabric. I'm using yellow and red fabric. I think that's it. Whoa, I'm jealous. I would wear that. You look amazing. You need to see this. Wow, you made that? I love it. Can I? Ouch! Be careful. Let's see how we look. We are… Huh? Look at your hair. It's not the right color. Wait, I've got it. I'll need water. This is the easy part. That'll be enough. Next, I'll need blue food coloring. I'll add a few drops to the jar. That's better. I think we're ready. Time for a new hairstyle. But we're not gonna go to the salon. I'll dip your hair into the jar. I'll make sure it's all in there. Now I'll leave it to dry. This won't take long. I think that'll do. Wow! Look at you! It's beautiful! And it suits you. We're matching! That was a good idea. Ugh, my stomach. I need food.
Yeah, so do I.
I'll take care of it. How about noodles? Yeah, I thought you'd like that. Everyone loves ramen. I'll need to cook them. Do you like your noodles crispy?
Ooh, it's so smoky.
Hey, stop! Are you crazy? I'll help you. You need water. I'll pour it over the ramen. Bon appetit! Ew, soggy noodles. Wait a moment. I've got an idea. I'll need a razor. Hold still. Those golden locks have to go. Don't worry. I know what I'm doing.
Seriously? I don't suit the bald look.
It's all under control. I'll add glue to your head. Then I'll stick the ramen to it. I'll do the same on the other side. It's a new hairstyle. But the color isn't right. This is just what we need. Wow, you look stunning. It's so striking. We look so alike.
Ooh, nice.
I love the curls. They're so chic. Our dolls look wonderful. They really do. And smell delicious. No, I can't. Okay, that was weird. I love candy. I could eat it all day. Oops, dropped a gummy bear.
What's this? It's stuck to me.
Let me help you. You're so messy. Oops, I'll take that. Not so fast. This gives me an idea. I can use this. I need to melt it. Give me a second. This should be easy. I enjoy that. And my doll has new boots. I'm not done. Next, I'll need buttercream. I'll scoop some into a bowl. This is making me hungry. I'll add food coloring. Then mix it together. Wow, look at that color. I'll dip the gummy boots into it. This will change the color. I'll need to cover them. Wait, there's more. I've got sprinkles. I'll coat the boots in them. But they're not finished. There's something missing. They need heels. That's more like it. Wow, so fashionable. They look good enough to eat. I love them. Check them out.
Tasty.
Are those candy boots? They sure are. Now for the best part. I need to try them. Delicious. What are you doing? I don't regret a thing. I made a spare. See? I thought of everything. Let's take them for a walk. My doll needs shoes too.
You need to fix this.
I'm working on it. I don't know what to do. Wait, my burger. Well, I mean the foil. This'll do the job. Let's get to work. I'll wrap it around your feet. They look great. I like them. What do you think?
I don't think so.
No? Okay. I know what to do. I'll grab my glue gun. I'll apply it to the foil. I'll build it up. Then let it set. Now I'll add a heel. This will add some height. Don't go anywhere. I still have something else planned. I'll add oil to a bowl. I'll need to fill a syringe. You're gonna love this. I'll add it to the heel. I'll fill it up. Now I need food coloring. This will take it to the next level. I don't need a lot. I'll add a few drops. Then I'll add a base to the heel. Your shoes are done. They're so unique. I've never seen anything like it. So, do you like them?
Are you kidding me? I love them! Thank you!
Take a look. It's okay. Something isn't right. You need a necklace. That's okay. I have my jewelry box. This might do. No, it's too big. What else is there? How about this? Nope, too colorful. Oh, this is so frustrating. Aha! This is the one. Oh no! It's broken! This is a disaster! Ugh, stop crying. There's only one thing for it.
Whoa! Don't do it!
I'm warning you!
Give me the tape. I'll line up the beads. Then I'll lay tape over it. I'll smooth it out. Now I'll slowly peel it. It's in one piece now. I'll fold the tape over. I need to wrap it up. It needs to be a thin strip. That's just what I want. Now I can put it on my doll. I'll wrap the tape around her neck. Wow, it's great! You look fabulous. It's the perfect necklace.
I've got one too. Whoa. Hang on. I need to make jewelry for my doll. I know. Here goes. I'll use red glue. I'll drizzle it over a strip of fabric. Then I'll let it set. Let's try it on. It complements the outfit. Girl, you look fire. Get it? I mean, you look beautiful.
What a transformation! I can't believe we did this. Hey, look over there.
I love your new look. We did a great job. Now let's hang out. What was your favorite part of the makeover? Let us know below. Remember to share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.